Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. One person's trash is another person's treasure. Love life, be like. Sometimes what one person overlooks becomes someone else's favorite treasure. 1. The quiet person. Someone may find their calm personality incredibly attractive. 2. The goofy one. One person sees silliness, another sees their personal comedian. 3. The old-fashioned romantic, as someone might love those classic gestures. 4. The terrible dancer to the right person. Those awkward moves are adorable. 5. The shy texter. Short replies can simply mean they're nervous, not uninterested. 6. The bookworm. Someone else sees intelligence and a great conversation partner. 7. The messy chef. The kitchen may look chaotic, but dinner was made with love. 8. The terrible singer. Off-key, but somehow still entertaining. 9. The introvert. Someone may treasure peaceful nights together. 10. The overly excited storyteller. One person hears too many stories, another says, keep going. 11. The vintage fashion lover. Old school style becomes someone's dream look. 12. The awkward complimenter. Weird wordings, genuine intention. 13. The snack lover. Someone finally found a partner who understands midnight cravings. 14. The terrible photographer. Blurry pictures, priceless memories. 15. The forgetful romantic. Forget the anniversary date but remember the favorite snack. 16. The gamer. One person sees always playing, another sees a fun teammate. 17. The nature lover. Someone may treasure simple walks more than fancy dates. 18. The overly enthusiastic planner. Every date has a schedule, backup plan, and backup plan. 19. The fun enthusiast. Their jokes are questionable but their happiness is contagious. 20. The slow dancer. No fancy choreography needed when moment feels right. 21. The coffee addict. Someone finally understands the importance of a morning coffee ritual. 22. The terrible gift wrapper. The wrapping looks like a survive a storm, but the thought matters. 23. The homebody. Going out. How about staying in and watching movies? 24. The sentimental one. Keeps little memories that others might overlook. 25. The overly curious partner. 10 questions later, they somehow know your entire life story. 26. The clumsy one. Trips over nothing but still gets back up laughing. 27. The imperfect cook. The pasta might be questionable but the effort is priceless. 28. The simple date lover. A sunset and a good conversation can beat an expensive dinner. 29. The misunderstood person. Someone overlooked by many can be deeply appreciated by the right person. 30. The real treasure. Love isn't about finding a perfect person. It's about appreciating someone genuinely, respectful, and for who they are. So remember, what one person doesn't appreciate might be exactly what another person treasures. In love, the goal isn't perfection. It's finding someone who appreciates the real you. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.